I'm Gay, and welcome to the Colonel. Now, let's go show you the kitchen. So obviously, guys, this is where it all happens at. We have our amazing guys over here cooking our amazing Kentucky Fried Chicken using the very top secret recipes we got going on. And our pennies, which pressure cook everything we need. You guys get bored sometimes, always have chips on the go. Just taking a moment and just check out my front yard. It's not bad at all. As you guys can see, we got the BA setting up for all 80 customers. Let me show you guys around. You know, sometimes late at night, I actually like to sing. I may not have the best voice, but my friends do. This is our karaoke. Speaking of the Colonel, right here, it's exactly where he sleeps at. Hopefully I didn't wake him. Sorry! Now, some call me an artist, some call me a painter. This is our mural, representing nothing but the Big Red Bash and Kentucky Fried Chicken. If you haven't seen it yet, this is our hero piece right here, and my playground. Now, if you haven't seen it yet, this is probably the most magical view of them all. My backyard. You ready for some adrenaline? Let's go. How cool is that, right? Before you guys leave, I have one more thing to show you. This is my very own chicken. Come on, chicken. I think we should walk these guys out. Honestly, guys, thank you so much for joining us and checking out our crib at the Colonel. But look, it's time for you to go and us to get started. Are you ready? Let's go.